Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma if you're new here, and I'd love if you join our little group of sewers over here. I post videos every other Friday. Typically this video is coming on the third Friday, but we busy, but we all love sewing, so I'm here to show you how to sew. In today's video, we're gonna go through how to make your own pillowcases. It's really easy and not a long process. I think it took me like maybe 20-30 minutes to make 2 pillowcases. I've done this multiple times. I've made silk pillowcases. I've made the ones today out of linen. I made a linen pillowcase for a big body pillow. But yeah, let's jump right into it and let's make some pillows so we can have some nice skin and good sleep. Let's jump in. So first you're going to want to start with 2 rectangles that are cut at 28 inches by 18.5 inches and a 122-inch zipper. Then we're going to pin the 3 sides together, leaving one of the short ends open so that we can install the zipper there. And then sew with just a basic straight stitch to encompass the 3 edges. And then I'm serging the edges of mine just because it's linen and that is prone to fraying, but this step is optional. Then once you've serged all your edges and or sewn, you're going to poke out the corners with some sort of pokey tool. You could use like a knitting needle or something, whatever you have on hand, and then you're going to iron all of those seams flat. Now, taking your zipper, you're going to line it up on one seam, pulling it all the way to the other side, and then just kind of making a note of like how long that is, because zippers don't come in the perfect length all the time, so we're gonna have some overhang. And then what you're going to do is fold over the edge to give you a seam allowance, and then you're going to do a small straight stitch, and then we're going to stitch up the sides, wrong sides together, just so we can get as close to the zipper tape as possible, but this just helps make it have a clean edge. So as you can see here, I'm giving you a better demonstration of what I did there. But yeah, now we're just going to sew up those side seams to the zipper, and that's that. You can see what I'm doing here. It's really hard to explain this. And if you need more clarification, let me know in the comments. So now that we've done one side, now we do the other side. And then you just need to do a top stitch to make sure the zipper doesn't flip out, and you're all done. Let's see how they look. Okay, that was it. Pretty simple, straightforward, nothing too complicated. If you want to make your own pillows, you should do that. I have the linen I used in this video down below in the info description box. Why am I not knowing what that's called? I don't know. But yeah, that's today's video. I will see you in the next one. And I also have some videos linked for you up there and down there that you might be interested that based on this video. Yeah. Like, subscribe, all those good things. This is awkward. Goodbye. Have a good rest of your day.